In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely reset Google Chrome without reinstall. If Chrome has been slow, acting weird, showing pop-ups, or your settings feel out of control, a full reset can give you a clean slate without the hassle of uninstalling. This process returns Chrome to its original defaults while keeping your personal stuff like bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords intact. Before we start, here's what a reset actually does. It resets your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It disables all extensions and clears temporary data like cookies and site data, which means you may be signed out of websites. It also resets site permissions, such as camera, microphone, and location access. What it does not do is delete your bookmarks, stored passwords, or history. If you use Sync, your data remains tied to your Google account and can be restored as you sign back in. With Chrome open, look to the upper right corner and click the three-dot menu. This is your main control hub for Chrome. From there, choose Settings. The Settings page is where you can manage everything from privacy to appearance, but we're heading straight to the Reset area. On the left side of the Settings window, find and click Reset Settings. If you don't see the sidebar, expand the menu or make the window a bit wider so the panel appears. This section is specifically designed for repairing Chrome without a full reinstall. Next, select Restore Settings to their original defaults. Chrome will show a clear description of what's about to change. This option is safe and is the recommended path when extensions or misconfigurations are causing problems. It puts Chrome back to a reliable baseline without touching your saved personal items. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Reset Settings to proceed. Chrome will apply the reset within a few moments. When it's done, you'll notice a fresh new tab page, your default search engine set back to the original option, and extensions turned off. If a misbehaving extension was the culprit, this often fixes it immediately. You can visit the extensions page later to selectively re-enable only the ones you trust. Since cookies and site data are cleared, be prepared to sign in again to websites. That's normal and part of the cleanup. If you're using a work or school device, some settings may be managed by your organization, and certain changes might be limited. Otherwise, you're all set. Enjoy a cleaner, faster Chrome experience and recustomize as needed, starting from a stable foundation.